The company is Empire Meadows Private Limited, and we have started this project in the year 2010. In the concept of coming out for an affordable segment. At that time, we started selling the flats around 15 lakhs and 20 lakhs. For 15 lakhs, we gave a 2 BHK apartment of 875 square feet and a 3 BHK at about 20 lakhs of 1200 square feet. Those were the days when the real estate market was really low, and people showed the interest on the price and the size of the flats, and they came to us and bought those flats, and then they started living also, and we started giving position in phase wise. In about 120 flats we had given position by 2011 end and 2012, and one more block we have constructed given in 2013, and the end of September again we have handed over one more block. So totally about 228 flats we have constructed and given, and the construction for the phase 3 is going on, and we have about another 150 flats coming up of different sizes. Like people wanted to have little bigger sizes. Even the 2 BHK sizes have been a little bit increased between 1200 to 1460 sizes. And 900 also we have few, but very limited number. So even these are the flats, and the present market rate at what we are selling is 2500 rupees per SFT. And we are seeing that this particular belt of west part of Hyderabad, whether you call the Miapur, is seeing a lot of activity because close proximity, good infrastructure, metro coming up, the bus service station coming up there, and the roads are there, and it's about 10 to 12 kilometers to the IT crowd or the IT corridor, where a lot of people have been working. And they are the people who have come and gave us the encouragement, the cooperation, and bought the flats and have started living there. So this particular project is about 650 flats we would be completing by the year 2015, December. And we have constructed 228 right now. 150 construction is going on in full swing, and we are making bookings for them. And even those are also being sold, and people are liking the quality of construction, what we have done, and then the facilities what we are providing. It's called as an self-contained gated community, where we have a clubhouse, where we have a banquet hall, we have a play area, then we have the cellar car parking. It's a ground plus 5 floors. So it's a very well lit, closed community, which a lot of people are enjoying the stay right now, and also looking forward to selling further of those leftover flats what we have. The price at 2500 I think is just the right price at this moment of time, because the cost of raw material, the cost of labor, everything have gone up. For the cement and the steel, all those prices have really shot up. When we started, it was about 50% below the prices, and now they are more than 100%. The cost escalations have gone. Dollar rupee equivalent is also taking it. Transportation costs, all these things are adding up to it. It's not that the margins are for the real estate have improved or increased. They are continuing to be at the same level what it was from 2010. So we haven't seen the profitability as such going up very tremendously, but people are taking advantage of these low rates, and they have been showing encouragement and buying the properties at our place. So that is where we are, and it's so far so good. And basically the reason being Miapur is, as I have mentioned, the IT corridor, infrastructure, good this thing. And also for these residents who have moved, about 170 of them, we have also provided an improvised clubhouse, where there is a meeting area, indoor games hall, gym also we have provided. And also there was one gentleman who came and started a convenience store also, so that way people don't feel that they are staying in a little bit of a remote area. And that's where the whole background is. And it's an HMDA approved project, and we have a project tied up with most of the financial institutions, including State Bank of India, HDFC, then we have ICICI, DHFL, LIC. All these banks have given us good support. And for the last 2 months, the markets are really been low because of the Telangana, Andhra, this particular the commotion which is going on, not knowing what will happen and how the rate trends are going to be, whether they'll go up or go down. But there is no scope beyond 2500 according to any builder that people can sell. So the customers need not get worried about the price as this. If 2500 to 2000, those are all realistic prices. It can't go below that. No builder will build. Even if they own construct also, it will not be cheaper to them. That is where that's the thing. So no point in waiting further. If they are ready to move in flats, they should cash on it. Okay. Thank you very much.